Welcome back to the new video and a new day. So let's start today's video with the session 3. We are doing a book together which is called The Word Power Made Easy, which can help you to improve your English speaking practice. I know that you are very weak in English and feel sometimes very low, and I also understand that how you face the problem while speaking in English. So don't worry, my friends, I'm here to help you. I can tell you that how you can improve your confidence as well as your fluency, and you can speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So stay tuned with the video, and I'm going to tell you how you can improve your English speaking practice, and you can open a new opportunity for you, like going study for abroad or getting a job in the corporate or the MNC companies. So depends how you turn. Origin and the related words. Depends how you turn. So let's start. Introvert, extrovert, and ambivert are built on the Latin verb verto. So Latin is basically a mother of English, because English was not invented anywhere, but it was modified from the language called Latin. Introvert, extrovert, and the ambivert are built on the Latin verb verto, to turn. If your thoughts are constantly turned inwards, so you are introvert. Suppose you are finding mm, games like you can say the carom or the ludo. They are the several games, indoor games, or the chess. If you like these kinds of games, so it will be called that you are introvert. Or like watching the TV, if you will say somewhere your hobby, like I like to watch the TV, I like to play the video games, so it means that you are an introvert. So same thing is written over here. If your thoughts are constantly turned inwards, intro, you are introvert. Outwards and extrovert, like you like hiking, you like swimming, you like going out with your friends, you like driving a car, you like to ride a bicycle, so it means that you are an extrovert. And in the both directions, an ambivert is in the both direction, who likes the introvert or inward games, or the extrovert also. So it is used for the both personality who likes both the things, and ambivert. The prefix ambi both is also found in the ambidextrous. Ambidextrous, able to use both hands and the equal skill, which is also called I do not have the word for that. I will explain the word in my next class also. So ambidextrous, able to use the ambidextrous is a word for that, able to use the both hands with the equal skill. Someone, if you find someone who can write from both hands at the same time, so it will be called the ambidextrous. So the noun is ambidexterity. Ambidexterity, you can find out the pronunciation also in this book. It is very helpful book, but don't worry, you need not to buy. If you want to buy, you can buy, but you need not to buy, because I am doing all the hard work for you only, so that you can improve your English speaking and you can speak English like an advanced learner. I don't want to make you up like a beginner. I want to make you advanced learner, so that you can easily qualify tests like ielts, or you can easily qualify interviews in the MNC companies. So don't worry, my friend, I'm here to help you always. So dexterous means skillful. The noun dexterity is a skill. Actually, dexterity is a skill. The ending aus is a aus is a common adjective suffix. Famous, dangerous, or the perilous, etc. It is a common noun suffix. Vanity, quality, and simplicity. It is a common noun suffix by the, again I am reading, vanity, quality, and simplicity. So spelling question again. Note that the letter following the T in the ambidextrous is R, but that in the dexterous the next letter. Dexter basically is actually the Latin word for the right hand. Dexter is basically a Latin word for the right hand. For the right hand. This is my right hand. So Dexter in the ambidextrous person, both hands are right hands, so to speak. It means that the person who can write, who can do the activity with the both hand, it will be called the dexterous. We have used that word also. So the right hand is traditionally the more skillful. The right hand basically called the most skillful because you do your all the work from the right hand. Suppose you are writing with your right hand, you are doing other works also, but if you are driving, so we use both hands. Even driving a bike, even driving a car, so you use your both hands. Even you are sailing a yacht, or you are flying a airplane also, you use your both hands. So spelling question, note that the letter following the T in the ambidextrous is R, but that in the dexterous the next letter is E. Dexter is actually the Latin word for the right hand. I have read this word also. The right hand is traditionally the most skillful one. It is the only within recent decade that we have come to accept that the left-handers are just as normal as anyone else. And the term left-handed is still used as a synonym of the awkward. If you are finding a word awkward, so left-handed is also called the synonyms of the, it means a similar meaning. The Latin word for the left hand is sinister. You can also write down the Latin word for the left hand is sinister. Same here also. Dexter is actually the Latin word for the right hand, and the Latin word again for the left hand is sinister. In the English means threatening, evil or dangerous. A further commentary on our early suspicious of the left-handed person. There may still be some parents who insist on forcing left-handed children to change, though left-handedness is inherited and as such an integral part of its possessors as eye color or nose shape. So you cannot change if the someone is left-handed or right-handed. It is from their childhood or from their birth. Suppose you cannot change the color of the eyes, you cannot change the color, the size of the nose. Same thing over here, you cannot change the psychology which has been bring from you by your childhood or your birth. So again, love, hate and marriage, misanthrope, misogynist and misogamist are built on the Greek root Misene to hate. Misanthrope hates mankind. Who hates mankind is called the misanthrope. Greek anthropos, mankind. So the misogynist hates the women. Misogynists who actually hate the woman. It's a specific word. So the misogamist hates the marriage. So someone who hates the marriage, we call them the misogamist. So making the friends with the suffix like the misanthropy, misanthropist, misogynist, like the gynecologist also, we will say the gynecology is a practice. Gynecologist is a word for the who who is a doctor basically. Living alone and liking it. Ascetic is from the Greek word ascetic, ascets, monk or the hermit. So we have completed the today's exercise. Now what is your work? You have to find out how to make a sentence by using this word. I have told you the very important topic today. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.